A letter has three sounds: a, a. Let's know how we use these sounds in different words. ACORN, acorn, CAR, car, MAN, man. Letter B has B sound, B, B, B. Let's know how we use this sound in words. BAG, bag, BAT, bat, BALL, ball. C has two sounds, K and S. Let's know how we use these sounds in words. CAT, cat, CUP, cup, CIT by city. Letter D had D sound, D, D. Let's know how we use this sound in words. DOLL, doll, DOG, dog, DID, did. Letter E has A sound. Let's know how we use this sound in words. EGG, egg, TEN, ten, HEN, hen. F has F sound, F, fur. Let's know how we use this sound in words. FAN, fan, FISH, face, FG, fog. Letter G has two sounds, G and J. Let's know how we use these sounds in words. GATE, gate, GREEN, green, GEM, jam. H has her sound, H, her. Let's know different words of her sound. HEN, hen, HAT, hat, HIT, hit. I has two sounds, I and E. Let's know how we use these sounds in words. ICE, ice, IN, in, INK, ink. J has J sound, J, J. Let's know these sounds used in words. JUG, jug, JUNGLE, jungle, JET, jet. K has K sound, K, K. Let's know how we use this sound in words. KIND, kind, KING, king, KITE, kite. L has L sound, L, L. Let's know use of this sound in words. LION, lion, LEAF, leaf, LAMP, lamp. Next letter is M. It has M sound. Let's know its words. MILK, milk, MAT, mat, MUG, mug. N. N has N sound, N, N. Let's know its words. NAP, nap, NOSE, nose, NET, net. Our next letter is O. It has O sound. Let's know how we use this sound in words. OX, ox. OLIVE, olive. ON, on. Next letter is P. It has P sound. P, P. Let's know its words. PEN, pen. PUT, put. PIG, pig. Next letter is Q. It has Q sound. Q, Q. Let's know its words. QUEEN, queen. QUILT, quilt. QUIZ, quiz. Our next letter is R. Let's know its sound. It has R sound. R, R. Let's know how we use this sound in words. RED, red. ROSE, rose. RUN, run. S. S has S sound. S, S. Let's know its words. SCHOOL, school. SALT, salt. SUN, sun. T. T has T sound. Let's know its words. TABLE, table. TAGE, tag. TWTH, tooth. U has two sounds, and U. Let's know how we use these sounds in different words. BUS, bus. CUT, cut. STUDENT, student. V has V sound. V, V. Let's know how we use this sound in words. VAN, van. VILLAGE, village. VASE, vase. Our next letter is W. It has V sound. W, V. Let's know how we use this sound in different words. WAB, web. WHITE, white. WORM, warm. Next letter is X. It has X sound. X, X. Let's know different words of X sounds. SIX, 6. OX, ox. BOX, box. By. Y has Y sound. Y, Y. YOU, you. YES, yes. YARD, yard. Next letter is Z. It has Z sound. Z, Z. Let's know its words. ZOO, zoo. ZEBRA, zebra. ZONE, zone.